we got multiple tornado warnings right now. We got a squall line, and with cells ahead of the line, we're gonna go from the north towards the south with this line of warnings. So we got a severe thunderstorm warning including the Tupelo, Mississippi metro area. I'll circle Tupelo. And it also includes Houston, Oklahoma, if I said that, Verona, Machachi, I can barely say these names, Nettleton, Smithville, Armory, and Aberdeen. Down south, West Point, Starkville, Artesia, Crawford, and Columbus, Mississippi, and Noxubee County. This one includes Brooksville, Louisville, Noxapater, Chilliwack, Howard, Mississippi, Brooksville, down in the tornado warning. Bouchito and DeKalb, Mississippi. There's, I think, one in this severe thunderstorm warning. Philadelphia, Mississippi, and Tucker and Noxapater in that severe warning as well. In this warning, Decatur, Lake Forest, Tacoma, Newton. And here we got a tornado warning for northeastern Smith County, northeastern Smith, with a possible tornado. This is day 2 of severe weather coverage. That includes, I can't even get some cities up. In this severe thunderstorm warning, it includes Raleigh, Mize, and Servina. And it looks like is this a new warning? It kind of looks like it's in this warning, Bay Springs, Lewin, Montrose, Hickory, Chunky. I don't see anything else. This is ahead of the line. But these are super, and down here near Collins, and you can tell there's already something starting to form like that. I don't like how that's shaped, but yesterday I did have some trouble with the uploading of yesterday's coverage. So with the rotation, we're going to track it real quick. This rotation is right here. And on reflectivity, that would show it about around that hook echo. It's like a supercell type of deal, southwest of DeKalb, and I believe that is moving towards the northeast, towards DeKalb, Mississippi. So if you're in DeKalb, I'd say get to your safe place immediately. And this tornado is right here, and I'm going to draw distance from Raleigh. That tornado is 10.9 miles northeast of Raleigh. If it was to be north of this location, it would be about 8.8 miles away. So I'm going to take a little break, then get back on. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm back on. We got a brand new tornado warning. This is for another hour and 2 minutes. This is until 3:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pineville, or 15 miles southwest of Newton, moving east at 40. So, a brand new tornado warning is for that Boeing segment of this storm. It's that small hook in that line that has generated another tornado warning. You can just tell it's somewhere right in there. Now, once I get the velocity signature, it looks like to start breaking apart, but it's worth another tornado warning. It looks like it's either that's a new warning or something. Check it. Yeah, Jasper and Newton County, and a new flood warning for Kauai and Hawaii. for a few hours. And yeah, I can tell why there was a warning for this part of the line, but there's now a brand new tornado warning. So I'm going to stay on the air, but we're going to have to go back towards DeKalb, as DeKalb's under a tornado warning. I'd say the tornado's about right there with that hook segment. It's right there. Let me circle it good. I'm bad at drawing circles, but nothing to be concerned about unless you're down there towards that hook. But it's somewhere in there. It's rain wrapped, just like this tornado. You can actually see it. You can kind of see it. You can see the warm air rising into the storm and feeding it to produce another tornado. So it'd be somewhere like right in there where I'd be watching for a possible tornado. I would say about right there. Right? Yeah, and then we're gonna zoom out, give you an entire view. I'd say up here in Tupelo they drop for Tupelo, Mississippi. But let's go there real quick towards Tupelo, see if anything noisy is going on. It's like embedded a line with this near Columbus Air Force Base. That's closest I can get towards Tupelo. I think if there were to be a tornado, it would be it'd be southeast of Houston, about right there, somewhere in there. We're going to go back to the tornado warning for Jasper and Newton County. This is for northern Jasper County and southern Newton County. But I think it's just for that Boeing segment. Hold on. Something trying to form right here. I think something's trying to form. It's right there. We'll keep our eye on that. But it could just been a small signature in the radar. But here we are. We got a Boeing. I think it's for a bow echo in this line, or this notch. Just like with that Graceville tornado. We had a bow echo type of deal. I saw the notch, and then like maybe about 5 to 10 minutes later they issued a tornado warning for that. And I think it was just radar indicated, but back on topic here, tornado warning in effect until 3:45 p.m. and this warning towards Hickory, Montrose, and farther east onto the not on the Alabama-Mississippi state line yet, but here I'm still watching that because it's either going to produce a tornado or something. It's somewhere in where I just drew. It's right there. I'm just keeping a serious eye on that. But velocity signature down here is like weakening. So I think they may just go with a replacement of a severe thunderstorm warning. But they can do whatever they need to. Chunky, you're also involved in this tornado warning as well. Newton, I'd say about South Newton you're involved. Yeah, let's draw a distance. You would be less than a mile and a half away from that tornado warning. If you were driving right here, you would drive right into the tornado warning. If there are some storm chasers, I believe, near this warning, I was watching that bow segment very closely as well, but we just had some issues. I'm just evaluating back all the way to January 9th, I believe, of when it was wintertime. But now we're in the spring, and you never know what can happen in the spring. It's crazy. It gets kind of crazy when you get in the springtime, but I'd say about just wait till the summer. I'll be on like a lot. So we only have 2 tornado warnings as of now. But this one is the newest. The new red polygon is the newest for southern Newton County and northern Jasper County as well. But we're just watching this line very carefully. As a moderate risk is out for today. I believe we have some chasers in Meridian, Mississippi right now. Let me just pull up storm tracks. It looks like everything's like going to the northeast, but some say, okay, so we got some meso strength. Hail size up to quarter size, actually an inch and a quarter. So I don't know if that would be quarter size hail. Please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm not able to do live streams as of yet. But don't worry, I will have the Discord link posted in the description very soon. Once I get the server made as well. But I just hate when things just interfere when I'm talking. Sorry about that. So back into DeKalb, Mississippi. That is somewhere where I can indicate a tornado. But if there were to be a tornado, it would be right where that rotation is. That looks extremely weak now, but we don't know. Somewhere in there. Down here, this bow echo. It's no bow echo. I think it's shifting some very strong winds towards the east because weather comes out of the west usually, unless it's when weather. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry about the interruption, but I was just tracking this storm near Heidelberg, and I've noticed some rotation as well. So I don't know if the National Weather Service will issue a tornado warning for that, but it's a storm of interest. But yeah, we got a lot of convection energy with the storm. So look at these. These are supercells starting to form near Laurel, Mississippi. We got a supercell starting to form. But you may see the rotation and yeah, this is the storm of interest now with some strong winds. They may issue a tornado warning, they may not, but something to keep an eye on. It's a supercell. It's rotating. Here, I can tell the hook is there. So it's right in there where another possible tornado can be likely. Yeah, another rotating cell. Supercell. So let's go back to the reflectivity. That's an embedded hook. We had the same thing yesterday, and then it became a clear hook echo with that Jacksboro tornado we've had. And there was damage at the Jacksboro High School. I did get some pictures of that. It looked like some of the gym wall came out, but students were okay there. And I just really hope they don't get another outbreak like this again. But they're used to it, but let's get back to coverage. So, this tornado is not, I don't see any rotation, but it can just be for that wind, or it's for this rotation right here. Here, tornado warning continues until 3:45 p.m. Now it's just embedded in rain because environment down there is just conducive for tornadoes. DeKalb, Mississippi, I think this just has to miss you. This will just miss you to the west. Interruption, my bad. But I'm still watching it as it has some rotation with that storm. It's right in that hook somewhere. But back down, I want to keep an eye on this part of the storm, the southern end of the storm, because I've noticed a clear signature of rotation earlier, but you can see the warm air is rising in, the cool air is merging. So that's how sometimes rotation can form to produce a tornado when warm air mixes with cold air. Back to coverage. Here, I think you may get the worst part may stay to the north of Montrose. Hickory may get some of that wind. Chunky, I think, will get some of it, just like Hickory. So I'd say you guys get in your safe spot now, or maybe around 3 o'clock you get in your safe spot, because this is a possible tornado as we speak. It's just a possible tornado. Yeah, here's what it says. Northern Jasper County and Southern Newton County, right there, with that tornado warning. And it's moving east at 40 miles per hour. But just keep an eye on these storms, because anything can happen. This one's producing a well-defined hook echo now. Not severe as of yet, but it's not severe, but just keep an eye on it. It's another supercell starting to form. You don't like when these individual storms just start showing, because it ain't good when it's like in a warm air mat. Oh, new tornado warning as well. From Macon, Mississippi, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, and this is for Noxubee County. So I messed up with that. Columbus, Mississippi County. I'm sorry about that, but for Noxubee County until 4 p.m. It's for an hour and 3. But this is a radar indicated tornado here, and it's somewhere in there. Oh yeah, that is well defined. But repeating, a tornado warning involves the Macon area, the Brooksville area, and the Shockwheat, if I said that right, area. So, oh my gosh, I think this rotation is starting to concern me a bit, because of the strength of the rotation. Is embedded in rain, yes, but here we're going to give you a bit of an overview. The worst is east of Jackson, Mississippi, but it is so warm here in these areas because they have not received. It's basically like the western half of Alabama that are severely warm. Like, they have not gotten this storm, so that's why tornado watch is out till 8 p.m. Some areas 7 p.m. So, here it is. Here's what we're covering. We're covering 3 tornado warnings as of now. Montrose, I don't know yet. Okay, so I think my radar's a little bit behind. So I'm going to go to tilt 2, see if I got anything new. Nope, nothing new on tilt 2. Tilt 4 may have something. Okay, so here's what. This is the closest update I got. Tilt 4 velocity. North of the cab. Okay, velocity. We're going to go check tilt 3 for anything. Okay, I think National Weather Service should start watching that. North of Heidelberg. I think they need to start watching this because of how, it's just going. So, here's what we got. We got multiple tornado warnings with rotation confirmed. But I've also noticed a supercell have some rotation as well. Let's give the radar a minute. Okay, here we go. 2 supercells are making hooks with that warm air mass. So we're going to check both for rotation. Confirmed. Rotation has been confirmed by radar. And if I ain't wrong, it is. Oh, it's on like the leading edge. So you know how like rotations can get embedded with the line, you know? Then you have to deal with tornadoes and embedded in the rain. If it was confirmed, it would be dangerous. But overview of this, I would say the worst is about to hit. Tupelo, I was right. I think it was just going to stay south of Tupelo. So they dropped Tupelo, Mississippi from the severe thunderstorm warning. Alright, we're going to cover this decab warning here because it's an individual storm. And here's the thing. With individual storms, they can produce tornadoes at any time. Because like yesterday, I'm going to bring this up again, but near Jacksboro, this happened, and we had a confirmed large tornado. It looked like EF3 damage, maybe EF4, but as meteorologists did say, there's going to be damage surveys today, and then we're going to get a confirmed rating. And the tornado warning did drop near Newton. So Newton, you're in the clear. So now we can only go back. But I want to watch those two cells to the south of Heidelberg. One to the north of Heidelberg and one to the south of Heidelberg. But we're going to get back onto this warning. It's in there somewhere. When the warm air is rising, and then we got a cold front also coming through today here in Mississippi, Alabama. As I said, spring weather outbreaks are kind of likely. It's been so warm throughout many days, and current time of 3:02 p.m. And I may take a small break real quick, but never mind, we ain't. We got a new tornado warning as well, near Columbus Air Force Base. New tornado warning at this time, so we're gonna go to the Columbus Air Force Base. This is for Lowndes County now. Okay, so it's Lowndes County. We're gonna check reflectivity here. I think we got a bow segment. Yeah, we got a bow segment. Actually, it's like a kind of small notch in that line, so it's a bow segment going to the northeast. Velocity, I think that matches. Yeah, it has some strong damaging winds ahead. Correlation, this can be a spin up, but velocity signature looks awesome. How it looks. So we're gonna zoom out real quick. 3 tornado warnings as of now. We may not even get off till like 4, so 4 p.m. Central Time. But here it is. It is southwest to West Point. I believe it's radar indicated tornado. Let me read the info. Yeah, it's a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Muldrow or near West Point, moving northeast at 55. So 3 tornado warnings. No velocity signature though. I'm gonna have to. I would say up to 90 mile per hour winds with that tornado. If I can get it. Jesus. Boy, this just does not like me, that's all. Sorry for the delay. Oh my god, this hates me. But 60, 70, 80 mile per hour winds likely with this tornado. I think, now we're gonna go back down into Noxubee County. And, yeah, I think we're just gonna keep getting the same signature here. And then it's gonna go to the northeast as well, but we got multiple things to deal with today. It's a tornado outbreak again, like yesterday in Texas and Oklahoma. Now, it is going to be like going towards the east, northeast, just like yesterday. And I was on the air for about 45 minutes yesterday. I plan on going up, stay on the air until like maybe 3:45 Central, maybe even 4 o'clock. So, and I will take some breaks if needed. But let's get back to this brand new tornado warning. The storm is near West Point. Yeah, it's just like on the edge of West Point. So West Point, be in your shelter, as some 60, 70, 80 mile per hour winds can come in. Maybe even high as 90. But it's a Boeing segment. There would the warm air be. That's where the warm air is. There's the cold air with that line in the red. That's heavy rain mixed with some hail. So here's what we're going to do. This is how I can try. Hybrid scan hydrometer classification can tell me what's like falling. So this is 11 minutes old. So we're going to go to the yeah, this is what we got. Heavy rain. Some hail as well embedded. So West Point may be getting some hail, but along that leading edge of the storm, that's why there's a tornado warning out. But along that leading edge has a severe bow echo that I'm watching very carefully. I can possibly try that tornado warning we had earlier. Let's go to Kemper County. Yeah, that's what that tornado possibly. Okay, so I see a few notches with that storm. This one and right here has a notch. So, tornado warning out. 3 tornado warnings as of now, but just listen to me. I will have this at least uploaded by maybe 4:45 or 5 p.m. tonight, but this is an early coverage of this outbreak. I was concerned that we're going to have this, but here is what we're going to do. You're going to be alright, though, but it looks like a new flash flood warning just came out for some of Louisiana and Mississippi. Amidst County, Western Pike, and southeastern Wilkinson County until 6. And just like, if we get more rain down there, it's going to start flooding, and we're going to get flooding reports. Stonewall, I'm trying to get a velocity scan, but I don't think it's going to work. So let's go back up into these tornado warnings. Well, it dropped, so I'll be right back as I'm going to take a break. Never mind. New tornado warning. As I speak, another one just came out from Monroe County. Southeastern Monroe until 3:30. A severe thunderstorm producing a tornado. I don't think this is confirmed, but if it is, no, it's radar indicated. So I'll be right back as I'll take a break, then come back. See you in a bit. Hi, I'm back. Sorry, it was short, but as I said, brand new tornado warning from southeastern Monroe County. The tornado is located near West Point, right there. As you can see, you can see the hook shape, and that's why another tornado warning was issued for that same storm. And a brand new severe thunderstorm warning for Lamar and Pickens County in Alabama. So it's all of Pickens County and all of Lamar County. This is until 4:30 p.m. But it's likely a tornado warning can be issued. And this is for an hour and 22 minutes. Actually, an hour and 19 minutes as of now. The National Weather Service in Birmingham, Alabama. This is for 60 and a bit of hail, but until 4:30 for Lamar and Pickens County in West Alabama. But this is near the Marion County line, up in the Fayette, Tuscaloosa County. Green hail, but I don't know what can happen. Anything can. But repeating, this is a brand new severe thunderstorm warning for Pickens and Lamar. Back to that tornado warning here in Mississippi. West Point, you have been dropped from the warning, but just look at that. It's making like a hook shape. Like, you know how you go fishing and you have a hook? Oh, yeah. Woohoo! That is some strong wind in that storm. We're looking at 100, maybe, to like 120. 100 to 120 with that signature to the northeast. But just please stay inside, as this is a dangerous storm heading towards the radar site for Columbus Air Force Base in Monroe County. This is a confirmed tornado now. So now we're gonna have to cover this, as it is now a confirmed tornado on the ground. I think they observed it near West Point. Yep, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. So now it's a confirmed tornado. And it's in that notch. So we have no clue on the wind, but it is a tornado warning now. They have observed it, but let's track the debris, because, yeah, we got a debris signature as of now. So tornado on the ground, northeast of West Point, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. So I believe this would be the first one of the day for a confirmed tornado. It doesn't say large and extremely dangerous tornado. It just says confirmed tornado. But please get in your shelter if you're in that tornado warning. The brand new one, I believe it's going to be extended. So this is a radar confirmed tornado. We have a debris signature. As to repeat, there is a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground in southern Monroe County. And give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I promise no more interruptions unless it's needed. So, repeating, a confirmed tornado is on the ground in eastern Mississippi. They didn't say large and extremely dangerous. It's radar indicated, but we got a debris signature with this tornado moving towards the northeast. So, confirmed tornado warning. But I'm going to have to get off that really quick, but I'll be right back. Zooming down here, this is until 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near DeKalb, or 7 miles southeast of Preston, moving northeast at 50. But we got two tornado warnings, one confirmed tornado warning. So, here's what we're going to do. If you're in the line of that confirmed tornado, I get in your safe spot. I'd say Detroit, Sulligent, towards Ewan and Brilliant. In Alabama, get to your safe place immediately. As this storm is coming your way, this is a confirmed tornado on the ground. As it's radar indicated, we got a debris signature. So it looks like it was just a brief spin up, but the tornado was on the ground for a second. There, brand new tornado warning as well for this storm. And it looks like to the northeast. A confirmed tornado. It's on the ground. Yeah, we got another tornado warning for Itawamba County and Monroe County. Itawamba County, and yeah, this is a confirmed tornado. It's for southeastern Itawamba, whatever. Itawamba County, that's what I'm gonna call it. And central Monroe County as well, but confirmed tornado, they're saying now. I don't know what was going on there, but it's like a tornado hit something. Down here, I don't see much, but tornadoes have been known to be produced. New tornado warning until 3:45 p.m. Tremont, Smithville, Armory, Aberdeen. Everyone in this tornado warning needs to get in your shelter immediately. Even if you're out of it, but you're still close enough to be in it. Tornado warning remains in effect until 3:45. Tornado right there. It's in that bow segment. You can see the rotation on this storm. It'll be right in there. Confirmed tornado. It is right in there in a bow segment. It is a bowing type of deal where it's rain wrapped. And if y'all have anything like a shelf cloud picture, you have anything to confirm, let me know in the comments, like if there's a confirmed tornado on the ground. So here's what we're gonna do. Aberdeen, you need to get to your safe place, as you were under a tornado warning earlier, but another one came out. I believe right there near Aberdeen. This was trimmed a little bit, but still severe thunderstorm warning for Lamar and Pickens County. This may go into maybe Franklin County as well. How it looks. Northwestern Marion County and into western, yeah, it looks like on that track it's going to go into northwestern Marion County and maybe southern and western Franklin County, I believe. But tornado on the ground right now, they're saying. A confirmed tornado. It's a damaging tornado. That's what they're saying, but no visual as of now, but please be careful. Let's go to Alabama, Lamar and Pickens County. Yeah, I can get a good view right here. So, this is the first warning in Alabama for today. But I'm watching that storm near Macon, Mississippi. But here's my thing. I'm trying my best to cover the severe weather outbreak. This is another tornado outbreak like yesterday. So, here's what we're going to keep on doing. We're going to stay on the air, as I promised. Tornado warning in effect. Yeah, you can tell it is curved. And then you got that notch. Brand new tornado warning for Northern Clay. Northern Clay County, this just came out. A new tornado warning. That's confusing. So, National Weather Service warning, this just came out. But it's for Northern Clay County. So, West Point may be hit again. Well, there's nothing I see on radar that can be another tornado can be likely. But this is just a strange outbreak. This is 2 days in a row we've had tornadoes. And we got a debris signature again. Right in there. There's our debris signature. Tornado warning until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here's the overview again. It's steady rain behind this line is some steady rain that can produce more accumulation in the rain, but I was not on the beginning of this because I was doing stuff. But here's the thing. Okay, then they just dropped clay. Okay, I see what they're doing. They probably just mistakenly added Clay County back, but they meant probably to extend it a little bit, like into Armory, because Armory can be hit as well. Okay, we're gonna go to. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to storm relative velocity. If it loads. I need storm relative to load. Boy, I don't know what is going on. Okay, here's the update. So, the tornado, there are 2 warnings in one. There's actually 3 warnings, but 2 are in one big box, and then I'm going to stop for a bit. If any new updates come in, I'll be back on the air. Okay, so we got a severe thunderstorm warning in Missouri, and this is for 5 minutes. What? Until 3:30. Okay, so this has been out for a bit. Okay, so this is for Central Saline and East Central Lafayette County, but nothing to concern us. But let's check the velocities on this storm real quick. Nothing to concern. Right here, it's marginal risk is in place in that area. Let's go back to this confirmed tornado. Okay, I promise no more interruptions. So, here's what we're going to do. There's the bow. I think it's lowering the wind. Yeah, that was just probably a burst of a small tornado. They're making big warnings because of the possibility of an outbreak to just warn people that severe weather is coming. Columbus is getting it now. This is for an hour and 4 more minutes. But the storm in Missouri, is for Lafayette and Saline. Back here in the Mississippi, Alabama. Here, alright. I think now they're just gonna go for radar indicated. Nope, they're saying radar confirmed tornado still. But say they replace it with a severe thunderstorm warning. Right there. It's right in Aberdeen right now. I would predict it will be right in Aberdeen as of now. Velocity? No, it's east of Aberdeen. So, I'm gonna keep an eye. I'm gonna let the radar run for a bit, but I will not be talking unless a new update comes out. Okay, a brand new warning also just came out. Oh, never mind. Okay, this is till 3:30. Actually, yeah, 3:30. We got a new warning, I believe. believe if I can find it. Oh, snow squall. Okay, we got a snow squall warning now. This is new. Okay, snow squall. Okay, there's a red situation. Dangerous snow squall was located near Beaufort, or 19 miles southeast of Lemury, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard with whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in snow. Dangerous life-threatening travel. Okay, so just be careful. This is an emergency. So basically what this is an emergency. They're saying for Albany County, but okay, that's a new one. I've never seen that, but back to the tornado warning. Here, this is for 30 more minutes, but I have good faith that this is going to be extended. But here's the thing. I'm going to end this because I need to relax for a little bit, but then I'll be back possibly with part 2, but I think this will be the only video for the day. But I may have a weather forecast for tomorrow as well. So, have a good day and please stay safe.